Login failed on Bitfinex Fix. You tried to log into your Bitfinex account ready to trade or check your crypto wallet, but instead, you get that dreaded login failed message. Don't panic, this happens to many users, and in most cases, it's a quick fix. Let's start with the simplest reason: incorrect login details. Bitfinex has strict security protocols, meaning even one wrong character in your email or password will trigger a failed attempt. Type everything manually, don't rely on Sage or autofill data. If you've recently updated your password, make sure your browser isn't still trying the old one. Next, verify your two-factor authentication. Bitfinex requires for most accounts, but this can fail if your authenticator app's clock isn't synced. Go to your phone settings, set the time to automatic and generate a fresh code. That small adjustment often solves the issue immediately. If you're using a VPN or proxy, disable it temporarily. Bitfinex may block logins from certain regions or masked IP addresses as part of its anti-fraud system. Switching to your regular home or mobile network often resolves this instantly. Outdated app versions can also cause login errors. Visit your app store, check for a Bitfinex update and install it. Then restart your phone and try again. If you're on a browser, clearing your cache and cookies helps eliminate stored data that might be conflicting with the current login session. Another potential reason could be temporary maintenance. Bitfinex occasionally runs server upgrades that prevent logins for short periods. These usually last under an hour, so waiting and retrying later can often solve the problem. Here's a little known fix: if you're getting repeated invalid credentials errors even when your details are correct, try logging in from a different device. This resets your login token and often clears hidden security blocks. Most login issues on Bitfinex are technical, not account related. By following these quick steps, verifying your credentials, syncing your file, disabling VPNs and updating your app, you almost always regain access fast. Now that you're back in, consider setting up backup for codes and security alerts. That way, you'll stay protected and connected every time you log in.